we have covered so far? Can anyone tell me what we have covered so far, topic wise, like the title of the topic? Can anyone tell me from the beginning? Prashant, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you just tell me?
Yeah, first of all, customer master. In customer master, we cover general data, company
No, from
code,
the beginning.
then
I'm asking like the course we started, right? From that initial point, I'm asking what we have what we had discussed.
okay. First of all, we discuss what is SAP, then type of project in SAP, then SAP architecture,
Okay, what is SAP then?
then type of project in SAP.
RY3 architect. It's too small, I guess. Just a moment. RY3 architecture. Okay, and then what next?
And types of project in SAP.
Okay. Not only Prashant, everyone else, please try to tell me types of
Mm,
project.
then then SAP architecture.
Yeah, that I have already mentioned. RY3 architecture itself, SAP architecture. Okay,
Okay. Uh, then sales order process flow.
okay. Then
Then we studied about server landscape,
landscape. Okay. Then
role and SAP consultant.
okay, then
Then we covered about
sorry.
Implementation methodology.
All right. Okay, then next.
Enterprise structure.
then enterprise structure.
Okay.
Enterprise structure, we first of all create company code.
Just a moment. Um, Now, who is there? Who else is there? Okay. Pallavi, can you tell me what is next? Enterprise structure. उसके बाद क्या है? बबलू बबलू ज्वाइन कर ला. Okay. Enterprise structure. Then Prasant, go ahead.
Yeah, first we define company code.
Okay, that is not required. So enterprise structure itself is saying about the
Company
defining
code sales yeah.
defi
Mm,
defining different entities like company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division, right?
Client, plant, division, purchasing organization, etc.
Yes.
yeah. Okay, after that we assign this
Yeah. So
enterprise structure.
assignment of the relevant
Relevant.
entities. Okay. Then what next?
And then we study about master data.
Master data. So we started with customer
Okay.
master. What major thing we had in customer master?
partner function,
Yes, partner function. Then what next? Hmm? Partner.
partner determination procedure,
Yes.
PDP.
Yes. Partner determination procedure. So now, see guys, everyone needs to go through all these covered or completed topics if you are really serious about your career. Okay. See, this many we have covered so far. Okay. These are the major things we have covered. So let's jump to the next topic, that is again coming under master data only, that is material master. Okay, material master. So guys, make a note of this, material master. See, I'm requesting everyone try to sit with your notebook and pen so that whatever the major thing, important thing I'll detect, at least you can make a note of those things, and that will help you only, not to me. If I'm detecting something, that means I'm spending much time, so I don't want it should go waste. Okay, please try to make a note. It will help you to recall the things quickly, and mm, a permanent kind of thing you will find. Okay, anyway, just make a note. Material master, it is the data of the product. It is the data of the product. It is the data of the product.
Is the
Okay. Which is stored centrally and used in day-to-day transaction.
which is stored centrally and
It's which is stores centrally and used in day-to-day transactions whenever it is required. It is the data of the product which is stores centrally and used in day-to-day transactions whenever it is required.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so see, let's go to the material master. Okay. The T code of the material master is T code of the material master is T code of the material master is MO01. MO01. See, MO01. Sorry. Just did a mistake. MM01. T code of the material master is MM01. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, MM01 is the creation of material master. See the screen and description here. Create material master. So when I'll go to MM02, this will be the change mode of the material master. See, change screen. Okay. So likewise, if I'll go to MM03, okay, then this will be the display of the material master. Okay. So you can write down these three different type of T codes. Okay. One is for creation, one is for change, one is for display. Okay. Okay.
So what is the P code?
MM01,
So
MM02, MM03.
the next.
Hmm. Okay. So now make a note of this one as well. The length of the material code is the length of the material code is the length of the material code is
Yes, sir.
40 characters. 40 characters. This one. See, length of the material code is 40 characters. In bracket, mention this thing in S/4HANA system. In S/4HANA system, the length of this is 40 character, but in ECC uh, it was 18 character only. Okay, 18. Mention in S/4HANA, it is 40 character. In ECC, it is 18 character. Sorry,
ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
repeat karibi koda. In S/4HANA, the length of the material master is 40 character, whereas in ECC system, the length of the material master is 18 character.
18 or 80?
18, 18.
18.
18. Okay, material code logic. Write down material code logic. Underline that one. See, what is material code logic? This will help to the end user. This will help to the end user by seeing the material code. This will help to the end users. By seeing the material code, end user will identify the exact product. By seeing the material code, end user will identify the exact product.
Sir, repeat and this will help.
This will help to the end users
Yes, sir.
by seeing the product or by seeing the material code, not product, by seeing the material code, by seeing the
Yes,
material
sir.
code, end user will identify the exact product.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. So you can make a note of this one, like, for example, I'm just giving an example here. Okay. Example. For example, there is a material code, REVI 1020, REVI 1020, 0050, okay, BOT, for example. Okay. What does it mean? The first first we have mentioned REVI, for example, REVI. So REVI represents the brand or brand, you can say brand name. Okay. Then 1020, right? So 1020 may represent age group. Okay. Then 0050. Okay. This may be this may be the dose or dosage. What is the last? BOT. Last one, BOT. Okay. It's kind of packaging material, for example. Okay, packaging material. Packing material. Okay. Guys, you got the logic here, right? This is how management thinks to, management think to keep the logic and give the name of the material code or product code. Okay. So okay, write down this. The purpose of material code logic is user friendly. The purpose of this material code logic is user friendly. User friendly. Okay. Fine. So, mm, okay, we'll go to the T code now. So, what is the T code to create the material master?
MM01.
MM01. Okay. So here you can see the material field. Okay. Um, Creation of material code. See, this is the initial screen. Okay. First, let it be as it is. See, material code again, we can give our, external material code name, or we can do the setup of this system in such a way so that system will provide the internal material code number. Okay. But this responsibility goes to the people, material management people. Okay. So we will not do that activity. But yes, as we are practicing here, we will try to manage some extent so that a material master can be generate, and we can do the further transaction or consider this material in the sales transaction. Okay. So you can mention material code have both internal and external option. Okay, write down this thing. This is the initial screen. Okay, material code have both the option internal and external. Material code have both the option of internal and external. Material code have both the option internal and external. MM people people will be responsible to define material code or create material code. People will be responsible to define or create material code. People will be responsible to create or define the material code. Next, while creating material master, if the material code is blank, while creating material master, if the material code is blank, while creating material master, if the material code is blank, then system will propose the number. System will propose the number. While creating material master, if material code is blank, then system will propose the number. Okay. While creating material master, if material code is blank, then system will propose the number. Next, while creating material master, if user enters the code, while creating material master, if users enters the code, while creating material master, if users enters the code, then system will consider it as external. While creating material master, if user enters the code, then system will consider it as an external number or external code.
Then system is
Then system will consider it as external code. Then system will consider it as an external code. Okay, let's create this material master. Okay. So see, whatever I am doing, try to capture it. Try to make a note of it. Okay. See, material master, I'm keeping blank. This one first. Okay. Then this one, next one is the industry. Okay. Let me select this one. Okay. Here you can see. Why it is coming in this way? Just a moment. Okay, anyway, consider this one. Let's see. Okay. Pharmaceutical. Our industry is a pharmaceutical industry, right? So consider this one. Next, material type. Select this one. Okay. Click on this drop down list. Go to finished product. Our product is a finished product at this moment. Okay. We are not doing any other manufacturing. We are directly producing our finished goods. Okay. So, okay. Okay. Make a note here. Make a note here. Material type specifies the type of material. What is material type? Make a note of this one. What is material type? Material type specifies the type of the products. Material type specifies the types of the product. Material type specifies the types of the product. Okay. Material type specifies the types of the product. That is raw materials. That is raw materials, semi-finished product, or finished product. Material type specifies the type of the products, that is raw material, semi-finished product, or finished product. Okay, or finished product. Okay, you can make a note of these material types as well. FERT is the finished product. FERT, okay, finished product type equal to FERT. Okay, likewise, raw material equal to, or raw material is nothing but ROH. ROH, you can see here ROH. Where is ROH? Yeah, see, raw material ROH. Okay, what is semi-finished? HALB, HALB. HALB, where is that? See this one, HALB, semi-finished. Okay, semi-finished. Okay, then finished is FERT, right? Then trading material, trading goods, HAWA, HAWA, HAWA. Okay, then service material, service is DIEN, 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 where is that? See this one, DIEN. DIN is service material. So VERP would be there. VERP, that is a packing material. Where is that? VERP. See, packaging material. VERP, packaging material. Okay. So likewise, you can mention, okay, what is the material type of semi-finished product? What is the material type of finished product? What is the material type of trading product? Okay. So that kind of, material types will help us to identify the type of material. Okay. Fine. Now, Here click on this select views. Click on this select views. Okay. Here you can see basic one. Write down this views. Under views, you can write down. You need to select basic data 1, basic data 2. Okay. Don't do any mistake in this mistakes in this selection. Okay. When you are creating material code, whatever I am telling you, just try to select those views only. Okay. So select this basic data 1, basic data 2. Sales organization 1, sales organization data 2, sales general plant data, sales general and plant data. Okay, we can select this one as well, sales text. Okay, international trade export also not required at this moment. Let's see. Okay, then MRP 1, MRP 2, MRP 3, MRP 4. Then general plant data 1, general plant data 2. Then accounting 1, accounting 2. Costing one, if yeah, these two also you can take, no issue. Okay. So what we have selected? Basic data 1, basic data 2. Okay, sales organization data 1, sales organization data 2, sales general and plant data 3. Okay, foreign trade export, extended international export. This one also you can take, no worries. You can take. Then sales text. Right, purchasing view, why that is missing here? Purchasing view is not available here. Okay, purchasing also required actually. Here that is not available at this moment. That we'll see why it is not available here. Let's say part configuration, but we'll see. No worries. But at least at this moment you can take this many. Okay. So purchasing text and foreign trade import, like this one international trade export, it is mentioned, right? So from purchasing side, three views are missing here. We'll see those later. But yeah, here remaining other views you can focus. Okay. Now click on this continue option. Everyone noted down, right? These views. Shall I proceed?
Just a minute.
Yeah, basic data 1, basic data 2, sales org data 1, sales org data 2, then sales
Then it's
general and plant data, general oblique plant data. So see, after general plant data, you can mention other three as well. I'll tell you. Okay, mention sales text first. International trade export mentioned, then sales text mentioned. So see, sales related whatever the views are here, right? Sales org data 1, sales org data 2, general plan data, it is, and sales text, international trade export. All these five views comes under sales information or sales data. All these five views. Okay. So after sales text, you can mention purchasing data, write down this thing, but it is not available here at this moment. You cannot see here, but you can make a note of these three views as well while creating material master in future. You can consider this. Okay, purchasing view. Another one is purchasing text, like sales text I have mentioned. So from purchasing side also we have three different views. One is purchasing, another one is purchasing text, another one is foreign trade import or international trade import. Okay. Write down foreign trade import slash international trade import. Okay. After that, you mention MRP1, MRP2, MRP3. See, MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. These views goes to production and planning module. Production and planning module. Okay. Basic data 1 and basic data 2 goes to MM module. Okay. Okay. Now next is general plant data storage 1, general plant data storage 2. These two views also goes to MM. Yeah. So, guys, one thing you can mention, org label. Okay. So before selecting views, you can make a note of this one. Okay. Okay. You can mark with some numbers to identify. Okay. First, you need to keep this material field blank. Okay. Then mention the industry, that is pharmaceutical. Consider the material type FERT for finished product. Okay. After that, click on this org label. Okay. Here we can mention our plant and storage location. What was our plant? CP01, right? So CP01 is for Mumbai plant. Okay, select this one. Go to the storage location. Remove this one. Click on this option to find out the storage location or select the storage location. So our series was CP, right? So search out with CP, CCB, okay, here. CP01 is for raw material. CP01, CP02 we had defined for semi-finished goods. Okay, we are creating finished product at this moment. Okay, so select or consider this CP03. Okay, now click on select views. So does not have fully maintained. Okay,
So your screen was not visible to me.
others can please confirm. Is it visible? My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Vibhu.
yes.
Okay, Pallavi, can you rejoin once again, please, and see?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So, guys, these are the raw material tracing. So, why this description is coming? Company code CP01 does not exist or is not fully. Okay. So these are few issues actually which you will get, okay, while creating material master. So you can make a note of this error first. Okay. So as soon as you will select the organization labels, okay, you'll mention your plant, you will mention your storage location, and when you will click on this select views, you may get this kind of error. Okay, so you can make a note of this error. The company code CP01 does not exist and has not been fully maintained. Pallavi, you rejoined.
Yes, sir.
Can
Now
you?
it is visible.
Okay. So make a note of this error. The company code CP01 does not exist or has not been fully maintained. Okay. See, this error is something which really will be taken care by the MM people. Okay. No need to worry, but as we are practicing here. Okay. You just try to make a note of this error and resolution process as well. Okay. This will help you here to do the practice or create the material master. But in real time, actually, if this kind of error will come, then that responsibility will go to MM people. Okay. So the company code does not exist. Company code CP01 does not exist or has not been fully maintained. Right. To resolve this issue, to resolve this issue, do one thing. Click on this go to new GUI window. Okay, here mention, type a T code OMSY. OMSY. This is a T code. Okay, so here go to year company code CP01. Okay, CP01. Mention the year. What is the year? 2025, right? So mention 2025. Then next column is the current period. Okay, guys, here we have a trick. Hope you people might have idea about the variant we mentioned there, right? So BY6. Guys, do you remember this screen? Can you recall this screen? See, here we had maintained this fiscal year variant, right? So variant is V3 we have maintained. So V3 is for what? March to, sorry, April 1st to March 31st, right? So V3 fiscal year will be considered from 1st April to 31st March of the next year. Okay. So in that way, we have to count actually. What is the current period we have to count? So when we will count current period, we will consider it from April. Okay. As we have taken V3 is the variant, fiscal year variant. So April, okay, it will start from V3, for example, V3, right? It will start from April. April, then May, then June. Okay. So if we'll count, it is one. This is the second year. Second, what we say, we'll say period. Okay. First period, second period, and third period. Okay. So 30th June is the third period you will consider. Okay. So now let go to here. Okay, here you need to mention. If we would be here in July month, okay, we would have mentioned here 4. Okay. So you mention this 3 here. Okay. Now save it. Hit enter button and save this. Okay. It will ask to save in your uh, customized TR number, right? So find out your TR CP01. Okay. Double click on this. Okay. Select this one and continue. Continue this. Okay. So now go to this creation page again. Okay. We'll close this one. We'll close this one. We'll execute once again /n mm01. Okay. So now select the industry pharmaceutical, material type FERT. Okay. Now click on org label, mention CP01. Okay. Then this one is CP03, right? For finished product, CP03. Now click on select views. Okay. So now you select basic 1, basic 2, sales org 1, sales org data 2, sales and general plan data 3. Okay. International trade export, and then sales text. Okay. Then MRP 3, MRP 4. Okay. Then general plan data 1, storage 1, general plan data storage 2. Okay. Then accounting 1, accounting 2, costing 1, costing 2. This many views you need to select. Now click on continue. Okay. So it will take us inside to the customer master creation page. Okay. So here you can see system is proposing 2492 as a finished product material code number or finished product code number 2492. Okay. This can be anything, but as we were discussing about the logic, the based on the logic, people will take care the code part. Okay, how the code will be or how the logic will be there in the material code creation. Okay, they will take care of that thing. Okay, now you can mention here description, for example. Okay, some description. For example, vitamin vitamin or something vitamin for age group 10 to 20, right? um, 50 ml bottle, for example, 50 ml bottle. Okay, this is how I am giving the description of the material code. Now, base unit of measure. Okay, base unit of measure. So base unit is what? Bottle. Okay, mention BT. It would be there, BT would be there, BT. Yeah, see, this is bottle. Okay. Then next gross weight would be there. For example, this is 55 or net weight is 50 ml. Okay. So this one you can mention unit of weight is ml. Okay. Now hit enter button. Okay. ml is not a valid unit of weight. Okay. ml system is not allowing at this moment. Let's consider some other uh, unit. For example, yeah, kg only I'm taking. Okay. You can take anything like whatever the relevant unit, okay, of measurement that you can take. So at this moment, as ml is not available, I'm taking this kg. Okay. Now hit enter button. So now system came to this basic data 2 view, right? Okay, basic data 2 view. Okay. So here you can see cells basic data 2 view. What is the important field here at this point we need to mention? Okay, we can skip, I think, at this moment. Okay, let's see. If you will press or hit enter button, if there would have any mandatory field, you need to maintain that, then it will stay here only and will give some error message. Otherwise, it will go to the next tab. Okay, see. So it came to the next one. Okay, here you can see base unit of measure again. It is taking bottle only. Okay, here see cells unit also you can see. If production unit is something different and sales unit is something different, then we can have two different type of unit here, but we are keeping here as same at this point. Okay, you can mention the division as well here. Okay, for example, it is coming under P1 division that you can consider here. Okay, P1. Let me consider C, P1. We had defined this one, right? So now what else? What else? Okay, this is asking something. We'll see the configuration of this one later. The alternative base unit is the same as the bottle unit measure. Okay, it is asking to change actually. I'll keep something else. We can remove also, I guess. No, it is a mandatory one. So why it is not considering? It should consider actually BT. The alternative unit of measure is the same of the. Oh, okay. We need to remove this one. It is not allowing to keep same. Okay. So now here it is asking to mention the whether the tag this material code is relevant for tax or not, that we are mentioning here. At this moment I'm taking 0 and this is coming for US. Actually it should not come for US, it should come for India. Okay, but anyway it is coming. We are simply trying to create the code. Okay, now go to the next one. Why it is not considering? Okay, no. Okay, now hit enter button. If it is not taking to the next tab, then click on the next one. Still maintain the text classification. Oh, okay, it is another one is also there. That's why. Okay, mention 0, then hit enter button. It will take you to the next tab. Okay, here see account group. This one you can write down account assignment group of material. Click on this one. This is the finished product, right? take this 03 and item category group, click on this one. Item category group is standard here is norm, NORM. See this one, NORM. Okay, select this one, hit enter button. So the required entry we have maintained there in sales org 2. Now it jumped to this sales general plant view. Okay. And okay, without reviewing this, you can hit enter button. Okay, it is taking us to the different slide now, or tab. This is initial trade, international trade export, right? Here also nothing to mention. Okay, you can hit enter button. So here actually if you will enter, hit enter button, it will not take you to the next tab. So here you need to do it manually in and after this sales text. Okay, go to MRP 1. So here MRP 1 view, you can see this one is a mandatory field. Okay, you can select, click on this option and select the relevant one. So for example, it is relevant for planning. You need to take the PD option, PD. Now hit enter button. Okay, MRP controller. It is when you are clicking on that, it is asking no value selected. Do you want to edit entries? Click on yes. Okay, here click on continue without specifying project. MRP controller. Hmm. Just a moment. Okay. So here define controllers, production requirement planning. Okay, click on this, the first one. Okay, define MRP controller. Double click on that. Okay, here you can define MRP controller. Okay, go to our company code, sorry, plant code CP01, right? It is not available. Okay, what was the standard one? Okay, you can select this one. MRP controller. Triple 001. Okay, you can select this one. Okay, let me select this one because here the standard controller is 000, right? We can select this one, click on copy, okay, and mention change our plant code only. Okay, change this one to our plant code CP01. Hit enter button. Okay, so number of entries defined. Okay, CP01 000. Now save this option. Okay, continue. Come back. Come back from this. Close this one. Okay, so see this one defined. Okay, CP01. So now it is coming. Double click on this one. This one taken. System has taken this one. Okay, now hit enter button. Here again, system will ask to mention the LOT sizing procedure. Okay, here also you will not get anything. I think no, it is coming. Okay, okay, this one is coming. Lot. Okay, you can consider this one EX. Okay, EX as a lot sizing. Then click on next tab or hit enter button. So we are in the MRP2 view now. Here simply and hit on enter button. It is asking to mention some in-house production days. Okay, so as this one is a warning message. I'm skipping this one by hitting enter button again. Okay, now I'm in the third view of this MRP. Okay, let's enter. Okay, here let's see if system is asking to mention anything. So hit enter button again. No, it is taking us to the next slide. So mention the plant data and or storage, location one information. So it seems everything is maintained properly here. It is not asking anything mandatorily. So you can hit enter button again. It will take you to the next slide or next view. Here also again system is not asking anything specific. Hit enter button. It will take you to the accounting one view now. Here only we have few things, important things. You can click on this enter button. Okay, I mean hit enter button. Okay, it is taking to the next one. Okay, guys, just going back to this next slide. Here we have a field valuation class. Okay, you can select this one 7920. This is the finished good valuation class. Okay, you can mention this thing 7920. This is the finished good valuation class. You can take this one. Okay, and hit enter button. It will take you to the next price control field. With price control S, enter a standard price. Okay, so let it be as a S. Okay, hit enter button again. It will take you to the next view, accounting 2 tab. Hit enter button, hit enter button, hit enter button finally. Okay, so as soon as you'll keep entering. Okay, it will give you this kind of pop-up at last. You are about to exit. Do you want to save your data for this material first? Yeah, click on yes. Okay, so finally material master got created. Okay, 2492 got created. Okay, so how can we see whether this material got stored or not in the database table? What is the table T code? Can anyone tell me? What is the T code? Yeah, class O S E 16N. Okay, go to this. So see, Mara is the table for general material data. Okay, general material data. Okay, so I'm typing that Mara here. Okay, for example, I do not know the material code which got created. Do I know this is the material code 2492? I do not know, for example. So how can I find what is the material code I created? Okay, that you can try out with other fields. For example, creation date. So today is 30th of June, right? We created today only. Select that date, click on this number of entries. Okay, it is showing one entry found. Now execute this. See, this is 2492. 2492. See, 2492. So this is the material code we created today. Okay. So guys, this is all about the material code creation process. Hope you are clear with all the required things. Okay. So guys, once again, for example, I created this material code now, right? Where is that view? So how can I see the material code, created material code? Through the T code MM02, either 02 or 03. For example, I want to display only, then I'm putting 03. Now hit enter button. So again, it will ask you to select the views. Okay, you need to select the views. Okay, for example, see from sales side only, sales org data 1, sales org data 2, general and plant data 3, then international trade export 4, and sales tax 5. These are the 5 main or important views of SD. Okay, from SD side, these are the important views I need to take care. Okay, so let me go inside to these views again, hit enter button. Okay, the does not feel something. Okay, it is giving some error. Select our plant. What was our plant? CP01. Okay, what is our sales organization? CP01 and distribution channel P1, right? Material not in sales or distribution channel at the P1. Why it is not available?
Distribution channel is, I think, P3.
No, it is not extended to a CP01 and CP02. Let me extend this one. Sorry, plus MM02. CP01, CP03. Oh, oh, okay. In the backend, actually, somehow it got extended to a different sales organization. Okay, we are supposed to take our sales organization. But how it came? It should not came actually. How it came? WA, DWA. Okay, our material got extended to a different sales org view. So what I'm doing, I'm extending this to our sales organization and distribution channel. Okay. Plus in MM01. So this one 292492 Okay, I'm removing everything, keeping only FI relevant views. Okay, basic data 2, sales org data 1, sales org 2, sales general plan data 3, international trade. Export means sales. Okay, then sales text. Now click on org label. Okay, here I'm putting our plant CP01. Okay, then this one already existing here, so I'm putting that one WAD. Okay, then WA. This is not ours. Okay, the material has already extended or created under this sales organization. So I'm copying this material from that sales organization. Okay. Now this one is CP01. CP01 and distribution channel is P1. Okay. Now click on continue. Okay. So cell serve 1 now, cell serve 1. So it is asking to mention the text category here. I'm mentioning 0000 at this moment. Cell serve 1, cell serve 2, then cell serve general plan data. Hit enter button only. Okay. Now it will take you to the international trade export, then sales text. Okay. Now click on save. Okay. So what happened now? This got extended to this one. Okay. And our sales organization /n mm03. Okay. So now hit enter button. Again it will ask to select the views. So remove everything. Only keep year or hours view at this point. Okay, our see basic data 1 and basic data 2 is something you need to take every time. Okay, these are the basic view. Okay, which will be created by the MM people. But anyway, from sales side, you need to consider this sales org 1, 2, general plan data, then international trade export, then sales text. Okay, click on continue option. Okay, here you can see basic data 1, basic data 2, sales org 1. Oh, here also again it is showing the sales org. Why it is coming with this one? Okay, org label. Let me select org label here. Plant CP01. It is taking by default. Someone has done something. CP01 again. Okay, if it is not coming under your sales organization null labels, you can change it from here. Okay, P1. Hit enter button. Okay, now got changed. See, sales organization is coming CP01 and distribution channel is P1, right? So now go to sales org data 2, plant. Okay, then international trade export, sales, then MRP1, MRP2, CP03. Okay, this. Okay, so this is the view only. Okay, yeah. So guys, we created material master finally. Okay. So everyone, I request each and everyone, please go through this video as well if you are not getting later. Okay, I'll upload this video today. But yes, it's my request to everyone. Please try to complete the practice so far. Okay, whatever we have discussed so far, please try to complete your practice. Okay, anyone have any issue? Practice system is not available with you. Kindly connect to me and take the practice system access and do. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, everyone is clear, right? Okay. Prashant, you are practicing, right?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So have a good day. Let's meet tomorrow again, sharp 8 o'clock. Okay, and keep practicing. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.